Hi guys, this is a new video for our German playlist A1 and this is the words from 376 to 450. Before the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the button. So let's start. Halten, to hold, to stop. Halten, to hold, to stop. Die Hand, hand. Die Hand, hand. Das Handy, mobile phone. Das Handy, mobile phone. Der Hunger, hunger. Der Hunger, hunger. Hart, hard. Hart, hard. Die Halle, hall. Die Halle, hall. Die Hausaufgabe, homework. Die Hausaufgabe, homework. Das Heft, notebook. Das Heft, notebook. Heiraten, to marry. Heiraten, to marry. Heiß, hot. Heiß, hot. Heißen, to be called, to be named. Heißen, to be called. Helfen, to help. Helfen, to help. Der Herd, stove. Der Herd, stove. Herrlich, wonderful. Herrlich, wonderful. Die Hilfe, help. Die Hilfe, help. Hinten, behind. Hinten, behind. Hoch, high. Hoch, high. Der Hof, yard, courtyard. Der Hof, yard, courtyard. Hoffen, to hope. Hoffen, to hope. Die Hoffnung, hope as a noun. Die Hoffnung, hope. Holen, to fetch, to get something. Holen, to fetch, to get. Das Holz, wood. Das Holz, wood. Hören, to hear. Hören, to hear. Die Hose, trousers, pants. Die Hose, trousers, pants. Der Hund, dog. Der Hund, dog. Der Hut, hat. Der Hut, a hat. Immer, always. Immer, always. Interessant, interesting. Interessant, interesting. Das Internet, Internet. Das Internet, Internet. Ja, yes. Ja, yes. Die Jacke, jacket. Die Jacke, jacket, der Job, job, der Job, job, der Junge, boy, der Junge, boy, jung, young, jung, it means young, der Kaffee, coffee, der Kaffee, coffee, der Kalender, calendar, der Kalender, calendar, kalt, cold, kalt, cold, die Kamera, Kamera, die Kamera, Kamera, die Kartoffel, potato, die Kartoffel, potato, die Katze, a cat, die Katze, a cat, kaufen, to buy, kaufen, to buy, kein, keine for female, kein for male and for neutral, keine for female, it means no, none, kennen, the verb to know someone, kennen, to know someone, die Kirche, church, die Kirche, church, die Klasse, class, die Klasse, class, das Kleid, dress, das Kleid, dress, klein, small, klein, small, klettern, to climb, klettern, to climb, das Klima, climate, das Klima, climate, die Küche, kitchen, die Küche, kitchen, der Kuchen, cake, der Kuchen, cake, der Kugelschreiber, pen, we almost finished, der Kugelschreiber, pen, der Kühlschrank, fridge, der Kühlschrank, fridge, die Kunst, art, die Kunst, art, der Künstler, artist, der Künstler, artist, der Laden, shop, der Laden, shop, der Lärm, noise, der Lärm, noise, laufen, to run, to walk, laufen, to run, to walk, laut, laut, das ist sehr laut, 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 das Leben, life, Das Leben, life. Lebendig, lively, alive. Lebendig, lively, alive. Das Leder, leather. Das Leder, leather. You can say it as a noun or as a material. Leer, empty. Leer, empty. Legen, to lay down or to put something down. Legen, to lay, to put. Leicht, easy, light. And the opposite is schwierig. Just a reminder. Leicht, easy, light. Die Lehrerin is a female teacher and der Lehrer is a male teacher. Der Lehrer, die Lehrerin. Lernen, to learn. Lernen, to learn. Lesen, to read. Lesen, to read. Letzt, last, last, final. And the last 5 words. Das Licht, light. Das Licht, light. Die Linie, line. Die Linie, line. Die Liste, list. Die Liste, list. Lustig, funny. Lustig, funny. Machen, to do, to make. Machen, to make, to do. And das Mädchen is a girl. Thank you for the attention. Don't forget to